DeGiro versus Trading 212. Which one is better? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing DeGiro and Trading 212, which are two of the most popular investment platforms in Europe. So if you're wondering which one is right for you, stick around as we break down the features, fees, and best use cases for each platform. And if you're ready to get started with either DeGiro or Trading 212, check out the links in the description below. So now let's dive in. First, the question comes that what are they? So DeGiro is a well-known low-cost brokerage, particularly popular in Europe, offering access to over 50 global exchanges. It focuses on stocks, ETFs, bonds, and commodities, making it ideal for long-term investors looking for a broad range of market options. Trading 212, on the other hand, is a commission-free platform that's more beginner-friendly. It supports stocks, ETFs, forex, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies with features like fractional shares. It's great for those looking to invest in high-value stocks with small amount of money. So if you prefer a wider market selection, DeGiro might be better. But if you want fractional shares and commission-free trading, Trading 212 could be your go-to choice. After that, let's talk about fees and costs. So DeGiro has low fees, but some trades like US stocks cost €1 per trade. There are no inactivity fees and no withdrawal fees, which is great for long-term investors. Trading 212, on the other hand, offers zero commission trading on stocks and ETFs. However, spreads on CFDs can be variable, meaning you might pay more in certain market conditions. But for stock and ETF investing, Trading 212 is one of the cheapest options available. So, Trading 212 for commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs is the clear winner. After that, let's compare features and trading experience. So, first, let's talk about fractional shares. DeGiro doesn't support that. Trading 212, it does. You can buy partial shares of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla. And for leverage, DeGiro has no leverage except for professional accounts, whereas Trading 212 does support leverage, mostly for CFD trading. Then let's talk about minimum deposit. DeGiro has no minimum deposit, and Trading 212 has $1 minimum deposit for Invest and ISA and $10 for CFD. Then coming towards demo account, DeGiro doesn't support any demo account, whereas Trading 212 has a demo account, which is great for beginners to practice trading before investing real money. So if you're a new investor, Trading 212 offers more flexibility with fractional shares and a demo account. But if you want access to global markets with low cost, DeGiro is a solid choice. After that, let's talk about user experience and platform. DeGiro has a simple and professional interface, but it lacks advanced charting tools and research features. Trading 212 is known for its modern, beginner-friendly UI. The mobile app is smooth, intuitive, and easy to use, making it ideal for first-time investors. So if you prefer simplicity and professional tools, DeGiro is for you. But if you want a user-friendly mobile-first experience, Trading 212 is the winner. So which one should you choose? You're going to choose DeGiro if you're a long-term investor looking for low-cost global market access. You trade ETFs, bonds, and commodities. You don't need fractional shares or crypto trading. And you're going to choose Trading 212 if you want commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, you're a beginner who wants a user-friendly experience, or you like fractional shares and small deposit requirements. So both platforms are a great choice, but it really depends on your investment style. What do you think? Which platform do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.